Order
of operations
by Aris,
Aditya, and Aryan. What is Bedmas? Brackets, exponents, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Bedmas is basically an acronym that helps us remember the order of operations. Brackets are symbols that are often used to clarify the order that the expression is supposed to be done in. Here are some examples.
exponents. Exponents are expressions that represent repeated multiplication of the same number, also known as the power 2. In the example, 8 would be known as the base number and 3 would be known as the exponent. It means that we need to multiply 8 times 8 times 8, which would be 512. Here are some examples of some exponents.
Division. Division is the mathematical term of splitting something into equal or unequal parts. It is basically the process of something being separated. Multiplication. Multiplication is the fourth operation in Bedmas. Multiplication is adding equal groups or repeated addition. Multiplication is always done before addition and subtraction, even if it is behind it.
Addition. Addition is the third operation in Bedmas. Addition is finding the sum of two or more numbers. Addition is done after division or multiplication, unless it is in a bracket.
Subtraction. Subtraction is the last operation in Bedmas. Subtraction is taking the difference of two numbers. It is always done after multiplication or division, even if it is in front of it, unless it's in brackets.
Our word problem.
There are 3 people trying to start an electronics store, and they need the following amount of these items for their store: 100 Xboxes, which are $150 each, 120 laptops, which are $145 each, 40 Nintendo Switches, which are $100 each, and only 20 laptops with Minecraft pre-installed for $190 each. They decided to sell the Xboxes for $175 each, the laptops for $195 each, the Nintendo Switches for $130 each, and the Minecraft laptops for $200 each.
Assuming they sell out and they decide to split the profit, which is the revenue minus expenses, among themselves, how much would each person get?
The answer.
For the answer, all you need to do is multiply the revenue and the expenses by the number of items, then subtract the revenue from the expenses, add them together, and divide it by 3.
Now that we've got the revenue by multiplying 100 by 75, all we need to do to find the expenses for the Xboxes is subtract 100, multiply 100 by 150, and then subtract it from the cost they sold it for. Now that we have multiplied 150 by 100 and got the expenses, we need to subtract it from the revenue to give us the profit. We will need to do this process for every product that the 3 people got in order to get the profit. We'll skip a few steps because we're doing the same thing.
Okay. Now that we have the profit of every product, we need to add them in order to get the total profit.
Now that we have the total profit, we need to divide it by 3 because they're splitting the profit amongst themselves, and that would equal. Now that we have the total profit, we need to divide it by 3 since they wanted to split it amongst themselves, which would equal 3,300.
We hope this helped. Thank you for watching.